Welcome to this demonstration of LMS365, the learning management system in the cloud or on-premises for Office 365 and SharePoint. In the next 30 minutes, I'll be showcasing LMS365 Cloud, our learning solution built in the cloud that delivers learning within your existing Office 365 tenant. I'll go over the available functions and features to demonstrate the engaging end-user experience, as well as the various reporting and tracking capabilities, all designed to optimize learning for the modern digital workplace. Let's first get the customary background information out of the way. ELearningForce Americas, aka the awesome company that I work for, is the North America partner of ELearningForce International based in Denmark. ELearningForce is the publisher of the software. Since 2003, ELearningForce and its partners have provided LMS solutions for more than 4 million end users around the globe. ELearningForce Americas is the go-to partner in North America and Canada. As a management and technology consulting firm, we provide IT transformation services and learning management services to our clients. We are a certified Microsoft Gold partner and a strategic partner for ELearningForce, providing architectural design, implementation, support, and custom development services. Now, let's get into the exciting stuff. First, an important question. Why do we need a learning management system? A LMS is an important piece of the puzzle, enabling companies to be successful, effective, and maintain a competitive edge. It provides the necessary tools to manage, track, and report knowledge and skills throughout the workforce or even partners and customers. A LMS reduces the impact of employee attrition and knowledge drain, fitting into an onboarding process to get your new employee accustomed to company strategy and processes, and, of course, comes in handy for compliance and regulatory demands. So who needs a LMS, and who benefits? Well, I would say everybody, every business, every institution, every organization. Learning is the key to staying ahead. Now, what is LMS 365? LMS 365 is a full-feature learning management system that is 100% integrated and based on Microsoft technology, enabling you to leverage the Microsoft platforms such as SharePoint and Office 365 that you have already invested in. It enables you to create, deliver, and track courses based on virtually any type of content, including your e-learning standards such as SCORM. LMS 365 allows you to build custom learning modules and quizzes to deploy virtually any type of training to any global workforce within just a few short minutes. Finally, LMS 365 provides advanced learning analytics through the intuitive and easy-to-use tracking and reporting capabilities. As I previously mentioned, LMS 365 can be deployed on-premises for your SharePoint server or in the cloud, exclusively available on Office 365 as a software as a service. With these capabilities, LMS 365 can support any cloud strategy. So let's take a closer look at LMS 365, specifically the cloud solution. At this point, you might be wondering, wow, how difficult is this? But the answer is, it's easy. If you're used to working on Office 365 today, you will feel right at home using the features and functions of the LMS 365 platform. Simply grab the web parts required and place them on your site. You can get ready in minutes. No kidding. Provide your workforce with courses, course catalogs, and many more features. For example, creating a course is an easy task, and you can integrate coursework in existing sites. Say you have a site for a product team and would like to test the knowledge of those team members. Add web parts and add some content, and let's get going. Want to apply training to your users on an organizational level? No problem. Even a company-wide training portal can be created where learners can come and find training, enroll to courses, find their course details, certificates, and a leaderboard for some healthy competition. Combine that with any tools available in Office 365, and you have all and every feature available that you can imagine to create an engaging and fun learning environment. LMS 365 Cloud comes with a rich feature and functionality set. The different add-ins are bundled and available in the App Store to provide administrators, course creators, and learners with easy-to-use tools delivering a modern, integrated learning framework. In the next few minutes, I'll go ahead and explain the different modules in more detail. First, we have the Course Creator. This turns SCORM packages into full-blown formalized courses that enable enrollment and make the most of Office 365's collaborative features. Define course front pages with course overviews, target audiences, search tags, training timeframes, and learning goals. Specify course categories, make courses mandatory, and decide which courses to publish into the online course catalog. Associate supporting materials from new or existing SharePoint and OneDrive documents. Create blogs, discussion areas, wikis, and calendars. Inform and motivate with news feeds. Secure access using SharePoint security. Capture complex course configurations as templates to make creating common course types easy. The course catalog gives learners an efficient, dynamic way of finding education that's most relevant to their needs. You can display a list of all courses or allow learners to search by category. Furthermore, identify required courses and due dates. Show learners which courses they're already taking. Let SharePoint security determine which courses learners can see. One click is all it takes to enroll or unenroll from a course. Course administrators are automatically notified as learners come and go. The next 4 modules are tools to make the learning experience even better. The Learning Module Builder allows you to deliver efficient, multi-step learning to your users. The Quiz Builder provides you with abilities to create test questions to check on progress. Let's take a closer look at the first 2 I just mentioned. The Learning Module Builder lets you combine quizzes, SCORM training, and any SharePoint content into a predefined learning module with sequenced learning steps. Learners move to the next step only after they've completed the last, ensuring gap-free training and allowing them to see where they are in the overall learning process. There's no better way to expose learners to new concepts in the most efficient order, and to ensure learners don't get confused or lost along the way. The Quiz Builder creates attractive, easy-to-use quizzes that let learners test and demonstrate their knowledge. Place each quiz on its own dedicated homepage or embed it next to relevant content on any SharePoint page or include it in any LMS365 course. Build quizzes with 3 different question types and add them as standalone modules to your course or include them in any Office 365 learning module. Access advanced reporting for full tracking of results based on learners or quizzes. Of course, reports can be exported to Excel and easily shared with others in your organization. The next 2 LMS365 modules are the Assignment Manager and the SCORM Player. The Assignment Manager is used to create single or multiple assignments for individuals, groups, or a class. Control assignment visibility by setting open, due, and close dates. Define grading scales, grading periods, and languages as needed. Provide learners with a master list of assignments and due dates from all open training sessions. Learners need only open, complete, comment, and submit their assignments using Office 365 authoring tools. No email, no document posting, no time-consuming uploading, and no downloading necessary. The Gradebook allows you to give detailed feedback, calculate overall performance in complex courses, and track learner performance over time. How cool is that? The SCORM Player lets you add SCORM-based training to any desired SharePoint page in any application or publication. Just point the SCORM Player to a SCORM 1.2 or 2004 package and your training is available globally and secured by Office 365. Need to deliver a richer learning experience? Well, remember the course creator I mentioned earlier. It can turn any SCORM package into a full-blown, formalized course with enrollment and social networking features. And now I'd like to introduce you to my colleague Thomas, who will be giving you a sneak peek at what LMS 365 looks like by showing you the learner dashboard, course catalog, and a simple course. Take it away, Thomas.
Thanks, Victoria. So today I would like to show some learning experience in our LMS 365 environment. I'm logged in as Thomas Runz. I have a couple of rights here, some permissions, so I am a manager and administrator, but as well, of course, a learner. I'm concentrating on the items LMS 365 offers to you, so you will not hear me talking about all the other functions and features of Office 365, which can be used in an LMS 365 environment. So today, again, as I said before, I want to show you the learner experience. I come into my learning portal and I can see, for example, the dashboard, which shows me current trainings I am doing right now, trainings which are in progress, all trainings, completed trainings, pending trainings, my certificates, for example, my CEUs, and my transcript. While I could start a training right from here, as you can see, I can use the start button, for example. I can as well unenroll to a course. Let me go to a course catalog and let's find the course together. So here I'm in the course catalog. In the course catalog, I can filter courses on my liking. I can as well find a course based on the full text search engine. I can see all available courses. I can see courses which await an approval from my manager, for example. I see courses which I am enrolled in, courses which are required for me to take, courses which are optional, and courses I completed already. So for this demonstration, I would like to filter courses which are HR related. So I do that, and here's a new employee onboarding course. Right now I can enroll to this course, and the way the administrator set it up is basically without the manager's approval. So the system approves me automatically, and I can right away go into this course after I enrolled to it. Let's do that. Once this course is launched, I can see, for example, description about this course, what this course is offering to me, and I can see obviously all the bells and whistles Office 365 delivers to me as well, which we consume as part of our system. Here right now, again, I would like to concentrate on the LMS items, and the way this course is being set up is in fact in two learning modules. Part number 1, corporate values, and part number 2, LMS Training 365. As I can see here, I have an item which is locked, so I can't take this part 2 item because the administrator actually locked that part. There's a dependency on part number 1. So I'm going to part number 1. I click here, and the system will now allow me to start my training. The first thing we do is watch a video. You can watch the video, and you can see as well here on the left side the table of content what this training module includes. I can pause or exit that learning module, and the system will track where I left off. I can see a progress bar, and I can go to the next item. Interesting enough here, there was a video, and I can basically use the functionality of double checking with the user if they read or if they viewed that content and if they understood the content without taking a quiz. However, in this case, the administrator created this course where, yes, I watched the video. The next item is looking at a sample handbook. I can see again my progress. If I click on next, I am actually asked by the system to confirm that I read and understood what material was provided to me. I will do that. Move to the next item. The next item is a PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, Word or PowerPoint is displayed in your browser using the Office 365 application, which renders these items inside your browser. Click on Next. And now we are coming to an onboarding quiz. I took this quiz beforehand. However, as you can see, I can now review my answers. I can reattempt this onboarding quiz, or I can go back to the beginning of the learning module. So this is a built-in quiz of our system. So the system is asking me a couple of questions, and I can answer this question to my liking. Is your company the best company in the world to work for? Absolutely. And here, as you can see as well, I want to show you the power of the quizzes. So not only there are possibilities in regards to text you ask the user, but you can include as well any type of material again. So not only you had the learning module where you are giving a user, for example, a Word document, a PowerPoint document, whatever content it is, and then use the quizzes to use that as an acknowledgement, as a double checking if that content was being understood and learned. But you can as well include this content here again, so users are reminded in regards to what they learned before. What are your company core values? Check the video as a reminder. Please the correct answer below. Ethics, teamwork, getting lunch with, of course, getting lunch with my boss. Click submit. And so on and so on. So let's take the exit here. You will see as well that the system is recording where I left off. So the system now will show me a progress bar, which gives me a visual understanding of where I left off in my learning module. Once I finish this learning module, the second learning module will be opened, so I can take this as well and finish my course. up in my liking. So let's go back to my dashboard. Let's say I was called into a meeting. Let's go back to the dashboard and see if the dashboard now reflects what I did and where I am and that I enrolled into this course. So I go back to my home page. Okay, I'm back in my home page. So what we just did is basically the onboarding course, we started it. So in my current training, I should see the onboarding course now. And yes, here's my new employee onboarding course. I can stop that training. I can continue that training. And I should be able to see as well that course. Obviously, in all courses, I am right now in progress. So yeah, here's my new employee onboarding course. Very simple. I can as well see how am I doing compared to my peers in my company. So I have a leaderboard status, which shows me how many points I have compared to other people. So it includes some motivation for users to finish their courses. And of course, all these courses are being backed up by not only the dashboard, which is online, but you get, for example, email notification being invited to a course and things like this. Now, one thing I would like to show you as well is, for example, certificates. So with each course, once I finish a course successful, I get a certificate. The certificate can then be downloaded. Here right now as an example, that's a certificate I received, and I can finish my, actually I can print it out and I can put it on the wall in my office, or I can use it for other things. Now, okay. What I would like to show you as well, and because I have more rights than a normal user, just let's say I'm a manager, for example, I can see as well the executive dashboard. So while we do internal reporting as well, we deliver to you as well an Office 365 included business intelligence reporting. Basically, it's Power BI. And here you can see, for example, courses and information about the LMS. Here, course completion by title, top 10 learners by completion, top courses by activity, or most recent course completions. So here, for example, let's go and look into this a little bit deeper. Here are my items, for example, my courses I offer today. And let's go into the onboarding training, what we had today. So here I can see course title is a new employee onboarding course. Count of course passing status is for people, 10%. And I can click on it and I can get more information about it. Let's go back. Most recent course completions. So again, I can click on the dashboard here. I can see that Mina, Joe, Aston, and Aston as well completed the training, the new employee onboarding training, and I see the date for it. So the Power BI reporting is an additional reporting we offer to you. Power BI is part of Office 365 and is being accessed by OData. And I think that would be it for a demonstration for a learner and some of the exciting reporting capabilities. If you want to learn more, I think Victoria will finish up with some information how to get in contact with us. Thank you very much and have a great day.
This concludes the online demonstration. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at what you could do with LMS 365. Now, back to my presentation material. We discussed the different add-ins and looked at training from a learner point of view and how easy it is to find and engage in learning activities. We also had a quick look at the reporting capabilities. If you want to know how you can create a course, learning plan, quiz, or anything else on LMS 365, reach out to us and let us know your specific interests. We'd be happy to set up a personalized demo. LMS 365 Cloud puts learning on autopilot. It helps learners find the training they need, identify training they might need, and ensures participation in the training they're required to complete. Use Office 365 tools to create courses for any user group or role. Create course catalogs with one-click enrollment and unenrollment. Deploy SCORM packages as formalized courses or mini training. Display personalized training progress on any SharePoint page. Remind learners of training they haven't completed, and view progress reports and statistics by individual and course. LMS 365 trains the workforce day by day. It blends industry-proven learning technology into the business productivity and social functions that already connect and enable your workforce. Create and manage course materials with Office and SharePoint. Offer context-sensitive mini training on any SharePoint page. Enable learners to start, resume, and complete training across devices. Communicate and schedule training using Outlook email and calendaring. LMS365's intuitive features make it easy to respond to any training need without programming, system integration, unwanted complexity, or technology overkill. Course Creator and Catalog, Learning Path, SCORM Player, My Learning, Assignment Manager with Gradebook, Administration and Reporting. Everything is included, and it works the way your business already works. Deliver training in context, anytime, anywhere, and on any device within the familiar Office 365 environment. Configure and customize using existing Microsoft competencies. Eliminate having to install, integrate, and manage third-party web services. Free your business from ongoing maintenance fees and integration costs. And you're up and running in minutes, not weeks or months. Functions with the Office 365 Cloud Single Sign-On. There you have it, LMS 365 Cloud. If you have any questions or would simply like to find out more, please visit our website, reach out to us on social media, or just pick up the phone and give us a call. Thank you so much for joining us today and learning more about LMS 365.